If you file any immigration application, you will have a biometric appointment. A mistake can risk your American dream. Don't worry, because today I'm going to tell you everything so you'll be prepared. We also have some extra information at the end of the video, so let's get started. The biometric appointment is an important step in the immigration process where your fingerprints, a photo, and your signature are taken to confirm your identity and conduct background checks. It's like going to the doctor, but instead of examining your health, they're verifying who you are. If you lie about who you are or things you may or may not have done in the past, you will affect your application, and probably not in a good way. So honesty is the best policy, but if you don't qualify, you shouldn't apply in the first place. Getting the right advice before you file an application is key. We've discussed that in our 953 videos, and you're going to find that in the link below if you want more information to figure out who you qualify or don't you. Now, it's time to dive into the details of your biometric appointment. After submitting your green card application package or any application package, the next milestone is typically the biometric service appointment. Although you might receive the initial appointment notification before USCIS confirms processing your application, the actual appointment is usually scheduled 5 to 8 weeks after you submitted the application. Once USCIS receives your initial application, they will send you notification by mail with all the details of your biometric appointment, including the date, time, and location of your appointment. Therefore, pay attention and make sure you get a notification. Now, what do you need to keep in mind before your big day? Well, you need to have all of your documents on hand, which are a photo ID, like your passport, or a driver's license, or other government-issued identification card. Your appointment notice, that's the I-797C form. If you'd like me to make a video describing this form, letting you know how to read it, let me know in the comments below and I'll make a video on the subject. Remember, once you receive notice from USCIS, read it carefully, any detail. Now, what awaits you at the biometric appointment? Make sure to arrive early to your appointment. You might hit traffic, you might get lost, so give yourself time. Don't forget, you're going to have to go through a security process. Depending on the office that you have anywhere in the country, sometimes it can take minutes, sometimes it can take an hour. You never know, so better safe than sorry. Get there early. Once inside the USCIS office, you're going to head to a designated waiting room. You will present your notice. They're going to ask you for your ID documents. Don't worry, process is as simple as following the instructions given by the immigration officer and giving your best pose for the photo. Cheese! Here comes the important part. USCIS will use your biometric data they collected to conduct a background check. Yes, they're evaluating your criminal and immigration history and comparing what they find to the information you provide on the application or any prior applications you've submitted. They are determining, are you a suitable candidate for the immigration benefit you're seeking? Again, if you're not a candidate, you shouldn't be applying to begin with. In some cases, USCIS may ask for more evidence to support your application after the biometrics appointment. But don't worry, if they need more proofs, they'll send you a letter, they'll send you a notice, and it'll have detailed instructions about what you need and how much time you have to submit it. Here's the plot twist. Depending on the type of application, you might find yourself in an interview with the USCIS officer at some point in the future. Not going to be the same day as your biometric. Don't worry. Think of this as an opportunity to show why you deserve that immigration benefit. An immigration attorney can help you to prepare for this interview to make sure you know what they are likely going to ask you and be prepared. However, it's really difficult for an attorney to prepare you if they didn't prepare your application. In some cases, it may be too late to avoid a bad outcome. For more details, see our 953 video series in the comments below to better understand how your past can affect your current application. And then, grand finale, USCIS will review your application, your fingerprints, and all other documents you filed for your case. After the review, they'll either approve you, deny you, or ask you for more information because there are issues that need to be sorted out. If they ask you for more information, pay attention to the notice and see what they ask and how much time you have to respond. And there you have it, Immigration Nation. Now you are ready to conquer your biometric appointment. But before saying goodbye, as always, I want to give you a little more knowledge to make your journey easier. One of the most frequent questions and concerning questions that our community, Immigration Nation, gets, us in particular, what can I do if I miss my biometric appointment or I have to change it? Don't panic. Here are 4 steps to quickly act, resolve this setback, and keep your immigration process on track. But before we get to what to do, I urge you to do everything you can to attend the appointment when scheduled. If you miss it or ask to be rescheduled, your case could be delayed months or a year. Don't let it happen to you. Change your schedule to accommodate immigration. Don't ask them to accommodate you. With that in mind, step 1, contact USCIS. As soon as you realize you missed the appointment, reach out to them immediately, whether by calling customer service number or sending a message through their website. Explain what happened and request a new appointment. Step 2, explain your situation. When speaking with USCIS, be honest about why you missed the appointment. Providing details about any unforeseen circumstances or unexpected situations can help them understand your situation. Step 3, request a new appointment. Ask USCIS to schedule a new appointment for you as soon as possible. They may ask you for additional information, such as your case number or your full name, so have it handy. And step 4, follow the instructions. Once a new appointment is requested, follow all the instructions provided by USCIS. Be attentive to any notification about your new appointment and make sure to show up on time. So early is better. Remember, if you have additional questions about your specific case, consider seeking the help of an experienced immigration attorney. Their guidance can make all the difference. With the biometric appointment, you're one step closer to your American dream. And so we've come to the end, Immigration Nation. I hope this video has cleared up all your doubts and any questions you had about this crucial step in your immigration journey. How did your biometric appointment go? Inquiring minds want to know. Tell us in the comments below. Each immigration path is unique, and your story could provide clarity and guidance for others. Stay informed, and remember, we are in this together. Hey, did you like the video? I invite you to watch another video where I share more tips on how to protect your reputation as an immigrant. Until next time.